Good morning, children. Children, today in this class, I am going to clear your doubts. Few children are having problem with the sounds of A and E, V and W. So I'm going to help you. So children, the sound of A is A. You can see I've written Bada A. So it is A, sound of A. And E sound, children, small sound, A. So it is very clear. A, A. Take one example of A. K, A to cat. And E, P, E, N, pen. So it's very clear, children. A, big sound. E is small sound. So you need to be very careful when you read also. K, A to cat. P, E, N, pen. So from the sound only you will come to know big sound and small. Same with V, children. V is a small sound. V, E, N, van. And W is a big sound. V, A, T, E, R, water. V is a small sound. V, van. W is a big sound. V, water. Okay, children? You need to do a lot of reading practice, children. Only then you will be able to find out the difference. Now, I'm going to explain you one more thing, children. T, H, E. The sound of T, children, is T. But when H joins with T, the sound changes. It becomes the. Okay? The, the. Now here, THIS. So here the sound of TH is the, is, this. THAT. The, at, that. THESE. The, these. So when H joins with T, the sound becomes, children, the. Okay? The. Similarly, children, when H joins with C, here again the sound changes. Now the sound of C is k, cat, isn't it? But when H joins, it becomes ch. It becomes ch, not k, but ch. See the example? CHAIR. So this is ch, air, chair. Take one more example. Ch, cherry. So the sound of ch is ch and the sound of th is the. Okay. When you read, you'll come to know. Children, do a lot of reading practice. You're at home now. You have ample of time. Read daily one page at least to increase your reading skills. Okay, children? Thank you.